Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDA NA1 examination. Question number 11 is consider the following statement in respect of two non-singular matrices A and B of same order n. One adjoint bracket AB is equal to adjoint A multiplication adjoint B. AB is equal to adjoint BA. 3. AB adjoint AB minus modulus AB in is a null matrix of order n. How many of the above statements are correct? Option A, none. Option B, only one statement. Option C, only two statements. Option D, all three statements. So to solve this, let A matrix is 2 minus 3 5 1 and B matrix is minus 1 3 0. So this 2 minus 3 is first row, 5 minus 1 is first row for A, and minus 1 3 is first row, and 4 0 is second row for B. So now A into B is 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 4 14 minus 14. Similarly, 2 into 3 is 6 and minus 3 into 0 0. And similarly we can get this minus 1 5 minus 1 minus 5 and 1 into 4 4 minus 1, and this is where 5 into 3 15. So this is A into B, and adjoint AB is interchange them. Minus 14 will come here and 15 will come here and change their sign. So adjoint is first row 15 minus 6 and second row 1 minus 14. And similarly adjoint of A is interchange 1 3 first row minus 5 2. This interchange them and change their sign. Similarly adjoint B is 0 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1. 0 minus 3 first row and minus 4 minus 1 is your second row. And adjoint A and adjoint B, their multiplication is minus 12 1 into 0 0 3 into minus 4 minus 12. So first row will be same way we can find other elements. So first row will be minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus, second row is minus 8 13. So this is not equal to adjoint A multiplication adjoint B is this, and but adjoint AB is 15 minus 6 1 minus 4. So these are not equal, so first statement is not true. But if we find out adjoint B and adjoint reverse of it, adjoint B come here, adjoint B come here, then we will get the same matrix. So real formula is adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B adjoint A, not adjoint A into adjoint B. Okay, so one first is not true. So now this is your AB. Okay, now find out BA also. Multiply this, taking this, multiply this 1 minus 1 into 2 and 3 into 5. So this will be 13, and similarly we can find out other elements. So BA, AB is not equal to BA, so adjoint AB will also not be equal to adjoint BA. So 2 is also not true. But if we check third, then AB we have found out this minus 14 6 minus 1 15, and adjoint AB is this 15 minus 6 1 minus 14, and modulus of AB or determinant of AB is 15 into 14 minus 15 into 14 plus 6, 15 into minus 14 plus 6 would be 204, and this IN is your this matrix, unit matrix. So now if we multiply this, we will get here minus 204 0 and 0, here 0 minus 204. If we multiply these two matrices, and if we take this here 204, then there and add this, then the final matrix will be 0 0 0. So which is null matrix. So it means AB adjoint AB minus determinant AB IN is equal to 0 or null matrix. So third statement is true. it, so only one statement is true, that is third. Second is not true. First is also not true. Answer is option B.